Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Professor CA Devangi and I teach costing for Inter CA and CA final students. Now friends, today I was actually, very disappointed by you all. Reason being, I thought let's make video for the students that they want. And I searched this top YouTube search items for last 7 days and friends, this is what I got to know. Last 7 days, students are searching for this thing. Will CA Inter May 22 exams be postponed? Will CA final May 22 exams be postponed? And see 7.1%, 2.7%. And the list is on. CA exams postponed, CA exams postponed. 15 to 20% of the students are searching this on YouTube. Arey, there is so many good things, so many good videos are there. And why are you looking at such things? And friends, after looking at this search, I was compelled to make this video. Friends, let me tell you, ICAI has given clearly in its notification that CBSE and ICSE exam dates are falling in this May. So, to avoid the hardships, it is CA Foundation exams are postponed to month. The revised dates that they have given is 24th, 26th, 20th and 30th. And these dates are for CA Foundation only. They have given a valid reason for it. And if this was the reason, it was bound to happen. Their exams were to be postponed in any case. But my CA Inter and CA final students, why are you searching this? Why do you want your exams to get postponed? Stay away from such distraction, friends. Search good videos on YouTube. There are so many revision videos, so many RTP videos coming up. Do your preparation by taking the date which is declared 15th of May. Your exams will start from it. I exactly don't know whether your exams will be postponed or not. But as of now, the date is 15th May and this is your date and your exams will be starting on this date. Do your preparations accordingly. Do not assume that your exams will get postponed and you will do this and that. Some students are doing ABC analysis and some unimportant chapters they are leaving off thinking that if exams are postponed, then I will study this. My friends, don't do this. This is something very wrong that you're doing. Don't let such distractions come between you and the studies. So, focus on your studies and stay away from such distraction rumors. Do not search these items on YouTube. Okay? And friends, I'm going to come up with many more revision videos, RTP videos, and study module sessions for May 22. Friends, for this, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Costing by Devangi, and can download my app, Costing by Devangi, to get free notes and videos. Okay? So, stay tuned, get more ICAI notifications and updates. Thank you.